Hello mums and dads. Hello boys and girls. Today, this video will help you learn a new sound. Please, mums and dads, have a look at the notes on the bottom of each page. This will help you support your children along the way. Thank you for your hard work and support. Good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn a new sound. It is really important that I have those magnet eyes and listening ears. Are you super sitting? Then we'll begin. Okay everybody, let's begin by listening to our new sound. Open those listening ears. My turn. S. Your turn. Wow, great. My turn. S. Your turn. My turn. S. Your turn. Super duper job everyone. Okay, now we're going to say the sound with some new pictures. My turn. Snake. Your turn. Wow. Remember to stretch that sound. My turn. Snake. Your turn. Okay, another new picture. My turn. Snail. Your turn. Wow, I can hear you. Great job. My turn. Snail. Your turn. Wow, I can hear that sound being stretched. My turn. Snail. Your turn. Sometimes you find a snail in the garden. It likes to eat all those juicy plants. My turn. Snail. Your turn. Okay, listening ears at the ready. Another new picture. I think you know this though. My turn. Spider. Your turn. My turn. Spider. Your turn. Can you see those 8 legs? Creepy crawly. My turn. Spider. Your turn. Well done everybody. I love the way you're stretching that sound at the beginning. My turn. Spider. Your turn. Ooh, last picture. And one of my favourites. It always makes me smile. My turn. Sun. Your turn. My turn. Sun. Your turn. Wow, super stretching of that sound. My turn. Sun. Your turn. Great. I heard all of you saying the words out loud. You were very clear. My turn. Sun. Your turn. Okay, boys and girls, you did a super job at stretching the sound with all those new pictures. Now, can you see on the screen? This is Sammy the snake. Can you point to his head? Well done. It's at the top. Where do you think his tail is? Oh, super pointing. Yes, it's at the end. Let's explore this sound a little bit more. Okay, boys and girls, I've put my picture of Sammy the snake next to the other picture of the snake. Can you see they look the same? Can you find the snake's head? You see, you're so clever. Put your finger on the snake's head. Now follow it all along the body to the tail. Wow. Let's do it one more time. And let's say the word. My turn. Snake. Your turn. Oh, I could hear you stretching that sound. What a super job. My turn. Snake. Your turn. Okay, this time, as we slither down the snake, we're going to say the word. And then when we slither down the sound, we're going to say just the sound. My turn. Snake. Your turn. Okay, that was super. I love the way you stretched the s at the beginning. Now, start at the top. Are you ready? My turn. S. Wow. Can you stretch that sound? My turn. S. Your turn. Oh, super stretching. Well done, everybody. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time to have a go at saying the sound and the word. Are you ready? My turn. Snake. Your turn. Snake. Good job. My turn. Your turn. Wow, great stretching of the sound. Let's do both of those again. Are we ready? Snake. Your turn. Wow, super stretching. Let's do this. My turn. Your turn. Wow, I love the way that you're stretching that sound. Good job, everybody. Okay, detectives, put on those binoculars for me. Now, your job is to find our sound S behind the picture. Can you spot it? Have a closer look. Well done, boys and girls. I knew you could do it. I knew you could spot our sound behind the picture. Now, this picture side of our card means you say the word. My turn. Snake. Your turn. Wow, great stretching. Let's try that again. When you see this side of our card with the picture, you say, my turn. Snake. Your turn. Wow, let's do it one more time before we move on. My turn. Snake. Your turn. Okay, boys and girls, you did a super job at remembering to say snake for the picture side of our card. Now, when you see this side of our card, you need to say S. Your turn. Super stretching. My turn. S. Your turn. I love the way you're stretching our sound. I think you're ready for the game. Let's go. Okay, boys and girls, it's your turn to be superstar detectives. And as we play the game, you need to see whether you say S or snake. Now, the cards will flash in front of you and it's your turn to say the right thing. Let's go. Okay, now it's time to learn how to write our new sound. We know there's a snake, so we're going to use that snake to help us write. We're going to start at the top of his head, where his tongue is. Can you see? And we're going to Slither down the snake. Let's do that one more time. Follow with your finger. Slither down the snake. One more time. My turn. Slither down the snake. Your turn. I love the way that you're saying slither down the snake. Let's do it together this time. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Slither down the snake. Super effort. Let's try it one more time. Slither down the snake. Well done, everybody. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time to write our sound and say the sound as we write it. We've practiced how to write it by slithering down the snake, but this time we're going to write it and say the sound. Are you ready? My turn. S. Your turn. Great stretching. Let's do it again. S. I love the way that you're copying me as I do it. Let's do it again. S. Super effort. My turn. S. Your turn. I love the way that I'm watching your finger write S. Good job. Last one together. 3, 2, 1. S. Wow! This time you deserve a whoosh. 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! Excellent effort. Okay, boys and girls, now it's your turn to review the sounds. All the sounds we've learnt so far will go on the screen quite quickly. It's your turn to say them. Let's remember what sounds we've learnt so far. My turn. Your turn. My turn. Ah. Your turn. My turn. S. Your turn. Excellent. Now, let's get ready for the game. I hope you can do this quite quickly, as this is a little challenge as I've done them extra speedily. Good luck! Okay, boys and girls, now, I think you already know my friend, but this is Fred. Can you say, hello, Fred? He's so happy that you said hello, but the thing is, Fred can only say the sounds. He doesn't speak in words, so we're going to help him. Are you ready? My turn. Your turn. My turn. Man. Your turn. Great job, guys. Okay, listening is ready. Magnet eyes on the screen. My turn. S, a, d. Your turn. S, a, d. My turn. S, a, d. Sad. Your turn. S, a, d. Sad. I love the way that you're saying the sounds. I can hear some of you saying the word. Excellent job. Okay, time for another word. My turn. S, a, t. Your turn. My turn. S, a, t. Your turn. S, a, t. My turn. S, a, t. Sat. I love the way that you're saying the sounds. Some of you even said the word. Let's try it again. My turn. S-at, sat. Your turn. S-at, sat. Super effort. Okay, final Fred word. My turn. S-it. Your turn. Wow, some of you have said the word. Let's try again. My turn. S-it. Sit. Your turn. S-it. Sit. I love the way you're saying the sounds. Let's do it together one more time. My turn. S-it. Your turn. S-it. My turn. S-it. Sit. Your turn. Sit. Sit. Wow, super Fred talk today, guys. Wow, we've come to the end of our phonics lesson for today. Myself and Fred are so proud of you, and we want to give you a super big fantastic. Now, I have some new challenges for you today. First is to practice writing our new sound. Remember to slither down the snake. If you say that when you write, it will help you remember. Also, please can you practice speedily writing our sounds and ah. It's really important to keep practicing the writing. Okay, final challenge. In your house, I think you should be able to find 3 things that begin with S. I wonder what you're going to find. Good luck. See you soon.